Good afternoon to everyone. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಇಟಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಇಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Thank you, sir. And also I thank Zilla Panchayat Udupi for providing such a beautiful opportunity to our government PU college students to face competitive examinations. Today's our topic is trigonometry of first PUC. Students may feel that first PUC syllabus is not that important as far as the CET is concerned, but this is an important topic to study second year chapters like inverse trigonometric functions and integration and all. Therefore, we will be discussing trigonometry topic of first PUC. Basically, we need to remember many formulae in trigonometry and also the concepts. Depending on those concepts and formulae, let us solve the problems in trigonometry. Let us go through the first question. A wheel rotates making 20 revolutions per second. If the radius of the wheel is 35 centimeter, what linear distance does a point of its rim traverse in 3 minutes? Andre ಒಂದು wheel rotate ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಅದರ ಟಿಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ in 3 minutes? That is the question. A wheel rotates making 20 revolutions per second. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು 20 ಸುತ್ತು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, if you cut this circle and keep it as a straight line, then the distance traveled is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So let us see the options. A 7.92 kilometer, B 7.70 kilometer, C 7.80 kilometer and D 7.85 kilometer. Students, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಅಂಶ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, the radius of the wheel is given in terms of centimeter, whereas the answers are given in terms of kilometer. Therefore, unit conversion is also very important here. Let us see the solution. Circumference of the wheel, you know, it is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi into r. Radius of the wheel is 35 centimeter. So if you substitute pi is equal to 22 by 7, pi value is 22 by 7. Substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 into 22 by 7 into 35, which is equal to 220 centimeter. That is the circumference of the wheel. That is the distance covered in one rotation. Hence the linear distance traveled by a point of the rim in one revolution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಬಂದಾಗ it covers a distance of 220 centimeter. Number of revolutions made in 3 minutes, ಎಷ್ಟು rotation ಆಗಿದೆ 3 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, it is equal to 20 into 3 into 60, that is equal to 3600. Number of revolutions in 3 minutes, because in 1 minute that is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, the number of revolutions made in 3 minutes is equal to 20 revolutions per minute, okay, into 3 minutes into 60, that is equal to 3600. Therefore, the distance, linear distance traveled by a point of the rim is equal to 220 into 3600. That comes around 7,92,000 centimeter. Now we have to convert that centimeter into kilometer. Therefore, 7,92,000 divided by 100 into 1000. That is equal to 7.92. Here we have 5 zeros. Therefore, decimal point after 5 digits. Therefore, it is 7.92 kilometer. That is the distance traveled in 3 minutes. That is the answer number A, 7.92 kilometer. Next question. find the distance from the eye at which a coin of 2 centimeters should be held so as just to conceal the full moon whose angular diameter is 31 minutes. Andre, the distance from the eye at which a coin of diameter 2 centimeters should be held. Andre, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುವ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then what is the distance from the eye at which a coin should be placed? ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Where diameter of the coin is 2 centimeter. The answers are 2.818 meter, 3.15 meter, 2.22 meter and 4.13 meter. Here also the diameter of the coin is given in terms of centimeter, whereas the answers are given in terms of meter. So unit conversion is again important. Let us see the solution. You can observe the observer is, suppose observer is here. Suppose observer is here and the moon is here. Then here we have to place the coin of diameter 2 centimeter. Let us see the solution. This is the diagram. This is the O is the position of the observer here. CD is the coin whose diameter is 2 centimeter and AB is the diameter of the moon. Now angle AOB, that is called angular distance. This angle AOB is equal to 31 minutes. Angle AOB is 31 minutes. Let CD, it is equal to 2 centimeter, is the diameter of the coin here. This L, this is CD, is the diameter of the coin. The full moon will be just concealed if the diameter of the coin also subtends the same angle as the diameter of the moon. Andre, diameter of the moon AB ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು O ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಸಬ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆದಾಗ the moon will be concealed. Therefore angle COD is also 31 minutes. As the angle COD is very small, 31 minutes andre, you know, 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Therefore it is almost a half degree, very small value. So as the angle COD is small, CD may be treated as the arc of a circle. As the value of CD is very small, we can treat that as the arc of a circle, length of the arc of a circle as a 2 centimeter. We treat this as arc of a circle whose arc length is 2 centimeter. CD may be treated as the arc of a circle. Therefore OC and radius of the circle, this becomes OC or OD, both are equal to radius R. This is R. Now what is theta here? This is 31 minutes. 31 minutes can be converted to degree first to convert into radians. You know, degree to radian conversion, or you know, pi degree is equal to x degree. X degree is equal to x into pi divided by 180 radians. This is how we can convert a degree into radian measure. Therefore theta is equal to 31 minutes is equal to 31 into 1 by 60 degree. That is the minute to degree conversion. You know, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 31 minutes is equal to how much degree? That is equal to 31 into 1 divided by 60 degree. That is 31 into 60 into pi by 180. Convert this degree into radians. That is 31 by 60 equal to 31 by 60 into pi divided by 180 radians. Okay. Now we can substitute that value of pi as a 22 by 7. Therefore radius, you know the formula L is equal to R theta. Arc length is equal to radius into angle subtended. Therefore theta is equal to L by R is equal to L by theta. Now L is arc length, that is equal to 2 centimeter, divided by theta is equal to 31 pi divided by 60 into 180. Denominator of the denominator is the numerator here, 60 into 180. Then on simplifying, substituting pi as 22 by 7, we will get 75,600 divided by 341 centimeter. Now, by converting that centimeter into meter, that is divided by 100, you will get 756 by 341, that is equal to 2.22 meters. So here degree to radian conversion and minute to seconds and then minute to degree, degree to radian, all these conversions are important. Next problem. So answer is C, that is 2.22 centimeter. Next, third question is, if cos x equal to minus 4 by 5, where x lies in the interval 0 to pi by 2, that is in the first quadrant, then the value of cos x by 2 is equal to 1 by 10, 2 by 5, 1 by root 10 minus 2 by 5. This is the simple question related to multiple angles formula, that is, cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Also, we know that it is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x and cos square x minus sin square x. Now, in order to find cos x by 2, whenever we have 2x here, the angle will be x, half of this angle there. Therefore, whenever we have cos theta here, it can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Therefore, 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta. By making use of it, we can get cos x by 2. So, 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x. That is equal to 1 plus value of cos x is minus 4 by 5. Therefore, it is 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 5. 2 cos square x by 2 is 1 by 5. Therefore, cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, cos x by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 10. That is answer C. Answer C. Next question. Question number 4. If tan A plus cot A is equal to 4, then tan power 4A plus cot power 4A is equal to. Obviously, we can understand that we need to square this equation. Let us see the options. Solution answers 110, 191, 80 and 194. Now, we know that tan A plus cot A is equal to 4. On squaring on both sides, this is A plus B whole square formula. Tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan A cot A. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Tan A into cot A is always equal to 1. Therefore, it is tan square A plus cot square A plus 2AB, 2 cot A into tan A, that is 2, is equal to 16, or this is tan square A plus cot square A is equal to 16 minus 2, that is 14. Then again squaring on both sides, tan square A plus cot square A whole square is equal to 14 square, that is 196. And expanding on the left hand side, it is tan A power 4 plus cot A power 4 plus 2 tan square A into cot square A. The tan square A into cot square A is again 1. Therefore, tan power 4A plus cot power 4A is 196 minus 2, that is 194. So, therefore, it is answer D. This is the question related to, okay, once again, trigonometric functions and identities like tan A is equal to 1 by cot A or cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Next question, if x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta and x into sin theta equal to y into cos theta, then x square plus sin square is equal to x square plus y square. Here we have two equations, x sin cube theta plus y sin cube theta equal to sin theta into cos theta, and here x sin theta equal to y cos theta. So, in order to find x square plus y square, we need to find the values of x and y. So, here we can write y is equal to x sin theta divided by cos theta. X sin theta divided by cos theta. This is y, and substituting that value of y here in the first equation, we get x into sin cube theta plus y is replaced by x sin theta by cos theta into cos cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. And this gives x is equal to cos theta, because here we can observe that x sin theta is common. That is equal to x sin theta, x into sin theta into, we have sin square theta. Then here, after taking x sin theta common, we have cos cube theta by cos theta, that is equal to cos square theta, and that is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Therefore, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. It is identity. Therefore, x into sin theta equal to sin theta into cos theta means x is equal to cos theta. Therefore, when x is equal to cos theta, substitute here x is equal to cos theta, y becomes cos theta into sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Y is equal to x into sin theta by cos theta, which gives sin theta. Hence, using identity, x square plus y square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Answer D. Next, question number 6. Again, simple question. If cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 and the theta is greater than pi, less than 3 pi by 2, means it lies in the third quadrant, then the value of cosecant theta plus cot theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta is, means cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, means by knowing one of the trigonometric function we can find the remaining 5 trigonometric functions, so that can be obtained. Now cos theta is equal to, we define theta here, cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, then obviously opposite side is 4. Therefore, we can define cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite 5 by 4, and in the third quadrant it is negative, so minus 5 by 4. Cot theta is equal to 3 by 4, and it is positive in the third quadrant, and secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 5 by 3, and it is negative in the third quadrant, and minus tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, and it is positive in the third quadrant. Therefore, by taking LCM here, 4 LCM, minus 5 plus 3 divided by minus 5 minus 4, we will get 1 by 6. That is answer number A. Answer A is the right answer. It is a simple question. And next question number 7. If 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is equal to 4, then find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Let us see the answers. Plus or minus 3 root 2, plus or minus 5 root 2, plus or minus root 2, plus or minus 7 root 2. By knowing 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is equal to 4, we need to know what is 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Let us see this. We know 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is 4. To get it, let us take this as x. 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is taken as x. Then squaring on both sides, we get a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, 2 into 5 into 3, 30 into sin theta cos theta. Now, in order to substitute here, this is 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta. Here 25 as the multiple sin square theta, let us convert it into 1 minus cos square theta. And along with the 5 we need a cos theta. So here we have sin square theta, so we convert it into cos square theta. And along with the 3 we have sin theta. So 9 into cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta minus 30 sin theta into cos theta as it is. Then it becomes 25 plus 9 minus 25 cos square theta. Then here minus outside, therefore it is plus 9 sin square theta plus the 3 sin theta into cos theta by taking minus out. then it is 25 plus 9, then plus 25 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta cos theta. Here we can also, this is 5 cos theta, this is 5 cos theta whole square, and this is the 9 sin theta whole square, 3 sin theta whole square. 9 sin square theta is 3 sin theta whole square. Therefore, it becomes 5 cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square. So it is 25 plus 9, 34 minus 5 cos theta plus 3 sin theta the whole square. Now 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is substituted as 4. Therefore 34 minus 16, that is equal to 18, is equal to x square. Therefore x equal to plus or minus square root of 18. 18 can be written as 9 into 2, and square root of 9 is 3. Therefore answer is plus or minus 3 root 2. Next, question number 8. Find x from the equation cosecant of 90 degree plus theta plus x into cos theta into cot of 90 degree plus theta, which is equal to sin of 90 degree plus theta. Then the answers are cot theta, tan theta, minus tan theta, minus cot theta. Here we make use of the allied angles. You know, cosecant of 90 plus theta. Allied angles are very important and easy to remember. We know we use the shortcut formula as all students take coffee to remember the signs of different trigonometric functions in different quadrants, where here all are positive. Here in the second quadrant, sin and cosecant theta is positive. In the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta is positive, and in the fourth quadrant, cos theta and secant theta is positive. And for all the angles, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, pi by 2, plus theta or minus theta, for all the angles or numbers, 2n plus 1, pi by 2, plus theta or minus theta, function changes to co-function. And for the angles n pi or number n pi, plus theta or minus theta, function remains unaltered. So using this concept of allied angles, depending on this A, S, T, C, we give the signs of trigonometric functions, and by looking at these values of theta, we give the function, or we retain the function or change it into co-function. Now we know cosecant of 90 plus theta, that is in the second quadrant, cosecant theta is positive, and cosecant of 90 plus theta is okay. In the second quadrant, vertical line, function changes to its co-function, so it is secant theta, then x into cos theta into cot of 90 plus theta. Then cot theta is negative in the second quadrant, so cot of 90 plus theta is minus tan theta, sin of 90 plus theta is cos theta. Therefore, by simplifying this, okay, it becomes secant theta plus x into cos theta. This is minus tan theta is equal to cos theta. Simplify this to find the x. So we get secant theta plus x into tan theta is the sin theta by cos theta. If you write the sin theta by cos theta instead of tan theta, then we get minus x into sin theta there is equal to cos theta. Therefore, we simplify to get x. So x into sin theta is equal to secant theta minus cos theta. Secant theta minus cos theta. Therefore, secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Therefore, this is 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta is identity, which is equal to sin square theta, and sin square theta by cos theta. X into sin theta. Therefore, x is equal to divide by sin theta. We will get sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta, where sin theta cancels. We get sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. Hence, x is equal to tan theta, that is in answer B. Next, question number 9. If A, B, C, D be angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, means a quadrilateral defined in a circle, is called cyclic quadrilateral, like this. In a cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D taken in order, cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to what? These are the four options given: 0, 1, -1 and 1/2. Okay, we know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles, that is A plus C, is equal to 90 degree, 180 degree, and angle CB plus angle D. Angle B plus angle D is also 180 degree. So sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. Therefore, we can write this cos A plus cos B as cos C as cos of, A plus C is equal to 180. Therefore, C is equal to 180 minus A. 180 degree minus A. And cos B can be written as D is equal to 180 degree minus B. So cos B is equal to cos of 180 degree minus B. And use allied angles, cos of 180 minus A is equal to minus cos A, and cos of 180 minus B is minus cos B. Therefore, they cancel each other and sum is 0. So cos A plus cos B plus cos A is written as cos of 180 minus A, cos B is written as cos of 180 minus B. Therefore, cos A plus cos B minus cos A minus cos B, we get 0. That is answer A. This is the answer. Next, question number 10. If A plus B is equal to pi by 2, then the value of 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals. By looking at this question, we can make out what is the formula that we have to apply. Here 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B, these are involved in tan of A plus B formula. Therefore, we have to make use of tan of A plus B equal to tan pi by 2 and apply the formula. Here we know A plus B equal to pi by 2 means tan of A plus B equal to tan of pi by 2, and tan of A plus B is equal to, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, which is equal to tan pi by 4, which is 1. So tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. Or let us simplify this. Here, if you add 1 on both sides, or simply you can observe here, if you take tan A common among these two, tan A into 1 plus tan B, here we will get plus tan B. So there also we need to add 1 and on both sides. So you will get 1 plus tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B plus 1. Or by rearranging this is 1 plus tan A plus among these two, they have taken tan B common. Tan B into 1 plus tan A is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 plus tan A common here, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. So answer B. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Next, question number 11. If sin theta is equal to sin 15 degree plus sin 45 degree, where theta is greater than 0 and less than 180 degree, then theta is equal to. To remember the value of sin 15 degree, that is sin 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. If you make use of the value of sin 15 degree, directly we can get. Otherwise, we have to simplify this by using sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D formula obtained using sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y formula, that is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, you will get the sin of 15 plus 45, that is 60 by 2, that is equal to sin 30 degree, and cos of 15 minus 45, that is minus 30 by 2 minus 15. Cos of minus 15 degree is equal to cos 50 degree. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So 2 sin 30 degree into cos 15 degree. Again, cos 15 degree can be written as sin of 90 degree minus 15 degree, because it is the sin theta on the left side. We have to get it in terms of sin function. Therefore, cos 15 degree is equal to sin of 90 degree minus 15 degree, and that gives theta is equal to 90 minus 15, that is 75 degree. That is option D. D is the correct option. Next, question number 12. The value of root 3 cosecant 20 degree minus secant 20 degree is. There are the answers. Root 3 cosecant 20 degree minus secant 20 degree can be written as, cosecant 20 degree or cosecant theta is equal to always 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is always equal to 1 by sin theta. Therefore, this cosecant 20 degree can be written as 1 by sin 20 degree. Minus secant 20 degree is 1 by cos 20 degree. Then simplify using LCM, that is sin 20 degree into cos 20 degree is the common denominator. It becomes root 3 into cos 20 degree minus 1 into sin 20 degree. Then, whenever we have A cos theta plus B sin theta, then it can be written as sin of theta plus alpha or cos of theta plus alpha by dividing by root of A square plus B square. On dividing by root of A square plus B square, it becomes A by root of A square plus B square into cos theta plus B by root of A square plus B square into sin theta. If you treat A by root of A square plus B square as sin alpha, then B by root of A square plus B square becomes cos alpha. Hence it becomes sin of alpha plus theta. Or if you take A by root of A square plus B square as cos alpha, then B by root of A square plus B square is always sin alpha. Hence we can write it as cos of alpha minus theta. It depends. So here we need to divide by root of A square plus B square, that is root 3 square plus 1 square. That is square root of root 3 square plus 1, that is equal to square root of 4, 2. Divide 2 to this expression root 3 cos 20 degree minus sin 20 degree divided by 2. So it becomes root 3 by 2. Here it is minus 1 by 2. On dividing by 2, it is a imbalance. Therefore, we need to multiply 2. So multiply and divide by 2. Here in the denominator we have sin x into cos x. It can be written as sin 2x by multiplying 2. So here also we divide by multiply 2 and divide by 2. That divided by 2 and here we multiply 2 becomes 4. And this can be written as, either you treat this as a sin 60 or cos sin 60 or cos 30. So if you treat this as sin 60, it is sin 60 degree cos 20 degree minus cos 60 degree sin 20 degree. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y is equal to sin of x minus y, that is sin of 60 degree minus 20 degree. Divided by, this is 2 sin x cos y is equal to 2 sin x, sin 2x. Sin 2x. 2 sin x into cos x is sin 2x. Therefore, it is sin 2 into 20 degree, sin 40 degree. This is also sin 40 degree. Therefore, answer is 4. Option D. D is the correct option. Next, question number 13. Find the value of 2 into cos 45 degree into sin 15 degree. Again, as I expressed in one of the previous problem, if you know the value of sin 15 degree, it is a very simple and direct question. If you do not know the problem, then we need to apply the formula. These are the answers. If you do not know the value of sin 15 degree, then we can write this as 2 cos x sin x, or we can write this as 2 cos y sin x or sin x cos y. That is obtained by using sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y formula. You know, sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y is equal to 2 cos x sin y. This is cos x sin y. This is cos x. This is cos x sin y is equal to sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Therefore, this is sin of 45 plus 15 minus sin of 45 minus 15 degree. And sin of 45 degree plus 15 degree is sin 60 degree, and this is sin 30 degree, and both the values are known to us. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. So answer is root 3 minus 1 by 2. That is option C. If you know the value of sin 15 degree, it is direct question. Like you know, it is equal to 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Hence here we can observe 2 gets divided, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So answer is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2. If you remember the values of trigonometric functions, it will be always better. Then 14th question, the value of 4 sin alpha into sin of alpha plus pi by 3 into sin of alpha plus 2 pi by 3. Here we can make use of the transformation formula again. This is 2 sin alpha into sin of alpha plus pi by 3 plus sin of alpha plus 2 pi by 3. You can read this as sin x into sin y. Sin x into sin y formula. You know, this is sin of alpha plus pi by 3 into sin of alpha plus 2 pi by 3 can be written as cos of x minus y plus minus cos of x plus y. Because you know, cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y, which is equal to minus half into sin x into sin y. So now we have sin x into sin y. We have sin x into sin y, which can be written as, so this is sin x into sin y is 2 times. This formula is cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y is equal to minus 2 into sin x sin y. Therefore, sin x into sin y can be written as minus half into cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y, or simply sin x sin y can be written as minus half or plus half into cos of x minus y minus cos of x plus y. This is the formula we have studied. Therefore, use sin x into sin y as half into cos of x minus y minus cos of x plus y. That is half into cos of alpha plus pi. This is sin x sin of alpha plus 2 pi by 3. That is alpha plus 120 degree. So we can write this as half into cos of x minus y. That is alpha plus 120 degree minus alpha plus 60 degree minus cos of x plus y. That is cos of alpha plus 120 degree plus alpha plus 60 degree. On simplifying this, we get this 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore, it is 2 sin alpha into here 120 minus 60 degree is 60 degree. Alpha gets subtracted. Therefore, it is cos 60 degree minus cos of 120 plus 60 degree. That is 180 degree plus 2 alpha. And you know, cos of 180 plus 2 alpha is equal to minus cos of 180 plus 2 alpha is minus cos 2 alpha. This is minus cos 2 alpha. And minus into minus plus sin alpha. This is sin alpha into cos 2 alpha. Now this 2 sin alpha into cos 2 alpha can be written as sin of 2 alpha plus alpha minus sin of 2 alpha minus alpha. That is 2 sin x into cos y is equal to sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Or we can take cos x sin y. This cos x into sin y is equal to sin of x plus y 2 alpha plus alpha minus sin of x minus y 2 alpha minus alpha. That is sin 3 alpha. Here this is sin alpha. Therefore, this is equal to sin alpha gets subtracted, sin 3 alpha. So sin 3 alpha, that is in answer A. sin 3 alpha is the answer. So we are making use of the transformation formula to simplify the function. Next, the problem related to general solutions of trigonometric functions. Solve the equation sin x minus 3 sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to cos x minus 3 cos 2x plus cos 3x. What is the general solution of this? Here we can think of simplifying this by using sin c plus sin d formula, sin x plus sin 3x, and here also we can use cos x plus cos 3x formula, add them and simplify. It becomes sin x plus sin 3x minus 3 sin 2x. Here it is cos x plus cos 2x minus 3 cos 2x. This is sin x plus sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 3x plus x by 2 sin 2x, into cos c minus d by 2, 3x minus x, that is 2x by 2, that is x, and minus 3 sin 2x. Here cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus x by 2, into cos c minus d by 2, 3x minus x, that is 2x by 2, x minus 3 cos 2x. Then here we can observe that sin 2x is a common, sin 2x common, therefore we will get 2 cos x minus 3 is equal to here cos 2x common, therefore it is cos 2x into 2 cos x minus 3. So here we can observe that 2 cos x minus 3 is the common factor, 2 cos x minus 3 is the common factor, then into we have sin 2x minus cos 2x, which is equal to 0. But this is equal to 0. But here we can observe that 2 cos x minus 3 or is equal to 0, or 2 cos x equal to 3, or cos x equal to 3 by 2 is not possible. Cos x equal to 3 by 2 is not possible because you know the range of cos x, okay, is between minus 1 and plus 1. So it is the value 1.5 is more than 1. Therefore, 2 cos x minus 3 is equal to 0 is not possible. Hence, sin 2x minus cos 2x equal to 0, or sin 2x equal to cos 2x. So, sin 2x equal to cos 2x means we can write tan 2x equal to 1, that is the tan pi by 4. Therefore, general solution of tan is x is equal to n pi plus alpha, that is 2x equal to n pi plus pi by 4, or x is equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8, where n is any integer. So answer C, general solution of the given trigonometric equation is answer C. This is about general solutions of trigonometric functions. Next, 16th question. If the solutions for theta of cos p theta plus cos q theta equal to 0, where p is greater than q greater than 0 are in AP, then the numerically smallest common difference of AP is. These are the options. You know cos p theta plus cos q theta is equal to 0. Then the numerically smallest common difference of AP. You know cos p theta plus cos q theta is equal to 0 means cos p theta can be written as minus cos q theta, that is equal to minus cos q theta means it can be written as cos of pi minus q theta. Cos of pi minus q theta is equal to minus cos q theta. Hence the general solution, whenever cos theta equal to cos alpha, this is the p theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi minus q theta. Or this can be simplified by taking the positive sign for the smallest common difference of the solutions. We want the smallest, numerically smallest common difference of the solutions. Therefore, let us consider plus here. P theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi minus q theta. We get p theta plus q theta. P theta plus q theta is equal to pi into 2n plus 1. Therefore, p plus q into theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi, or theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi divided by p plus q, where n is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. When n is equal to 0, we can observe when n is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by p plus q. Pi by p plus q. That is the first solution. We can say pi theta 1. Theta 2, when n is equal to 2, this is when n is 0. Next, when n is 1, this is 2 into 1 plus 1, 3 pi by p plus q. And when n is equal to 3, this is theta 3, we say. When n is equal to 3, n is equal to 0, 1, 2. Next, when n is equal to 2, it is 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 pi by p plus q. 5 pi by p plus q and so on. And we can observe that these roots are in AP with the common difference 2 pi by p plus q. We can observe the common difference is theta 2 minus theta 1 or theta 3 minus theta 2. Hence the common difference is 2 pi by p plus q, that is option B. Next question. The number of values of theta in the interval minus pi comma pi satisfying the equation cos theta plus sin 2 theta equal to 0. Means the number of solutions satisfying this equation in the interval minus pi comma pi is needed. Here they have given that cos theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to 0, or sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Therefore, it is cos theta into 1 plus 2 sin theta equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0 means theta is equal to 2n pi plus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2. And for n is equal to minus 1 here, for n is equal to minus 1, theta is equal to minus pi by 2. And for n is equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2. Because in the interval minus pi to plus pi, we want the roots in this interval, cos theta is equal to 0 is possible when theta is equal to minus pi by 2 or theta is equal to plus pi by 2. These are the two roots in the interval minus pi to plus pi. And when this is about cos theta equal to 0, or when 1 plus 2 sin theta equal to 0, or sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, when theta is equal to sin theta equal to minus 1 by 2, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into minus pi by 6, because this is equal to sine of minus pi by 6. Minus half means sine of minus pi by 6. So general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into minus pi by 6. And sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 in the interval minus pi to plus pi. Let us put n is equal to 0 here. We will get minus pi by 6, and that belongs to this interval minus pi to plus pi. And when n is equal to minus 1, minus pi minus 1 into minus pi by 6 gives you minus 5 pi by 6. That also belongs to the interval minus pi to plus pi. For other values of n other than 0 and minus 1, all the values of theta we get are not in the interval minus pi to plus pi. Therefore, altogether 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 solutions of the given trigonometric equation in the interval minus pi to plus pi. That is answer D. Next. Question number 18. If 1 plus cos x equal to k, where x is acute, then the value of sin x by 2. These are all direct questions. 1 plus cos x means here we have cos x, here we have half angle. So use half angle formula. Cos x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 and solve. Here 1 plus cos x equal to cos square x by 2 equal to k, or cos square x by 2 can be written as 1 minus sin square x by 2 using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Or we get k is equal to sin x by 2 from this, or that is equal to square root of 2 minus k by 2 by solving this. Okay, here it is 2 minus k is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, or sin square x by 2 is 2 minus k divided by 2, or sin x by 2 is square root of it. That is option D. This is the Correct answer. These are all simple direct questions. You can understand what we have to do by looking at the question asked. Here we have cos x, there we have sin x by 2. So we have to make use of that formula cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Next, 19th question. The solution of the equation sin x plus cos x power 1 plus sin 2x equal to 2, where x lies between minus pi and plus pi is. These are the answers. You know, sin x plus cos x power 1 plus 2 sin x cos x equal to 2. Here, you know, this is 1 plus sin 2x. Sin 2x is always equal to 2 sin x into cos x. And 1 is equal to, we can write it as sin square x plus cos square x using identity. Therefore, it is sin x plus cos x power sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. That is equal to sin x plus cos x whole square is equal to 2. So, since this is sin x plus cos x power sin x plus cos x power 2, we can write 2 as root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square can be again rewritten as root 2 power 2 can be written as root 2 square. So that we can equate the LHS and RHS whenever the indices are same, base must be same. Therefore, we get sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2. When sin x plus cos x equal to root 2, again dividing by root of a square plus b square on both sides. Dividing by root of a square plus b square. Whenever we have a cos x plus b sin x, we can simplify it by dividing by root of a square plus b square on both sides. That is, a is 1 here, b is also 1 here. So dividing by root 2 on both sides. This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2 into sin x plus 1 by root 2 into cos x, which is equal to 1. Therefore, if you treat this as cos pi by 4, and this is sin pi by 4, this is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is equal to sin of x plus y formula. Sin of x plus y by 4 equal to 1, that is sin pi by 2. Hence, we can write the general solution x plus x plus pi by 4 is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1 to the power n into pi by 4. So x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 4 minus pi by 4. And so x is equal to pi by 4 when n is equal to 0. Therefore, answer is C. When n is equal to 0 here, value of x is pi by 2 minus pi by 4, that is pi by 4. Next question, again related to general solutions. The equation k sin x plus cos 2x equal to 2k minus 7 has a solution if. These are the answers, conditions. Here we have to obtain the condition for k. This is k sin x plus cos x equal to 2k minus 7. K sin x plus, this is cos 2x. K sin x plus cos 2x. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x equal to 2k minus 7. So this is a quadratic equation in sin x, like 2 sin square x minus k sin x, then minus 1 plus 2k minus 7 on the RHS is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in sin x. Now the roots of this quadratic equation are given by x is equal sin x equal to minus b, that is minus k, plus or minus square root of b square, that is k square, minus 4ac. A is 2, c is 2k minus 8. This is c. You know, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. These are the roots of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So by making use of that formula, here it is k square minus 4 into 2 8 into 2 16k, then 8 into 8 64 plus 64. It can be written as k square minus 16k plus 64 is equal to k minus 8 whole square. Square root of k minus 8 whole square is k minus 8. So it is k plus or minus k minus 8 by 2. When you use plus, it is 2k minus 8 by 4. When you use minus, it is 8 by 4. Minus into minus plus 8 by 4. Or here k minus 4 divided by 2, or this is equal to 2. This is the value of sin x. Since sin x always lies between minus 1 and plus 1, that is the range of sin x. So k minus 4 by 2 should lie between minus 1 and plus 1. This is not possible. Sin x equal to 2 is not possible. Therefore, sin x equal to k minus 4 by 2, and it should lie between minus 1 and plus 1. Multiplying 2 to this inequality, we get minus 2 less than or equal to k minus 4 less than or equal to 2. Adding 4 to this inequality, we get minus 2 plus 4, that is 2 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 2 plus, okay, 2 plus 4, that is 6. So k lies between 2 and 6. That is the answer. Answer B. Next, 21st question. Find the maximum and minimum values of 6 sin x cos x plus 4 sin cos 2x. We know this can be written as 3 into 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. That is equal to 3 into sin 2x. So 6 sin x cos x is 3 into sin 2x plus 4 into cos 2x. That is like a cos theta plus b sin theta. Whenever we have a cos theta plus b sin theta, its a maximum value is always, maximum value is always root of a square plus b square, and minimum value is always minus root of a square plus b square. This is very important. That is the range of a cos theta plus b sin theta. It lies between minus root of a square plus b square and plus root of a square plus b square. This is the maximum value and this is the minimum value. Now this is in this form. Therefore, its maximum value is root of 3 square plus 4 square, and minimum value is minus root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is 5. So maximum value is plus 5 and minimum value is minus 5. That is option A. Next question. Find the principal solution of the equation cosecant x equal to minus 2. Cosecant x equal to minus 2. Principal solution means it is the smallest value of x satisfying the equation. So cosecant x equal to minus 2 is possible when x is equal to pi plus pi by 6, or cosecant x equal to minus 2 can be written as sin x equal to minus 1 by 2. That is possible when x is equal to pi plus pi by 6 or 2 pi minus pi by 6. X equal to pi plus pi by 6 or 2 pi minus pi by 6. And cosecant x cannot be negative in the first quadrant or second quadrant. Therefore, x is equal to pi plus pi by 6 or 2 pi minus pi by 6. These are the possible values of x. 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. That is option C. Next, question number 23. The angle of elevation. This is about the heights and distances using a sine rule. The angle of elevation of the top point P of the vertical tower PQ of height h, height of the tower is h. From a point A is a 45 degree. From the point A is the angle of elevation is a 45 degree. And from a point B, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, where B is a point at a distance D from the point A, measured along the line AB, which makes an angle 30 degree with the AQ. Here you understand the question. The angle of elevation of the point P from the vertical tower PQ. See here, this is the vertical tower PQ. Suppose this is the vertical tower PQ. H is the height of it. H is the height, and A is a point. From a point A, 45 degree angle of elevation. Height H from a point A. Angle of elevation from the point A is 45 degree. From the point A, angle of elevation is 45 degree, and from a point B, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. B is at a distance D. B is at a distance D, and this distance is d, and angle of elevation here is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Here it is 60 degree. B is at a distance d from the point A. This is the point B. Point B. From measured along the line AB, which makes an angle of 30 degree with the AQ. Okay, this AB makes an angle 30 degree with the AQ. So let us see the proper diagram. Here we have the answers. This is the diagram related to this. Okay, here this is the tower of height h, and this is the point A. Angle of elevation from the point A is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree here. This angle is 45 degree. And from the point B, angle of elevation is 60 degree here. 60 degree, which is at a distance d here, which is at a distance d from the point A, measured along the line, which makes an angle 30 degree with the AQ. Okay. So here we can observe in that triangle APQ. See here, if this angle is 45 degree and this is 90 degree, therefore sum of the three angles must be always 180 degree. Therefore, this total angle is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. When this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 60 degree, this is 90. Therefore, sum of the three angles must be 180. Here it is 90, 60. Therefore, this angle must be 30 degree. Total angle is 45 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Therefore, remaining this angle is 15 degree. That we have to understand. This angle is 15 degree. Since this is 30 degree and this is 45 degree, this is also 15 degree. Now, here we can observe that this angle APAQ, okay, is 45 degree, and this angle is also 45 degree. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. These two sides AQ and AP are equal. Therefore, using Pythagoras theorem, AP square can be written as h square plus h square, that is equal to 2h square. So AP is equal to root 2 into h. So after getting AP, you know this side is known to you. This angle is known. This angle is also known, and this distance is the d. Okay. Therefore, from triangle ABP, from this triangle, let us use the sine rule here. A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is the sine rule. That is distance AB divided by angle here, that is sine 15 degree, is equal to distance AP divided by the corresponding angle here is, it is 150 degree, because you know in the triangle ABP, this angle is 15 degree, this angle is also 15 degree, therefore remaining angle is 150 degree. So that sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So this angle is 150 degree. So AP divided by sine 150 degree. Sine 150 degree is nothing but sine of 180 minus 30 degree, that is sine 30. You can simplify here. AB is nothing but d by sine 15 degree is, you know, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is AP, that is equal to already root 2h divided by sine 150 degree, sine of 180 minus 30, sine 30 is half. So substituting these values, we get d is equal to h into root 3 minus 1. Because sine 50 degree is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Here we have 1 by 2. So root 2 cancels and we get h equal to root 3 minus 1. So that is option C. These are the problems related to heights and distances and the sine rule. Now this is the problem related to cosine rule. They have given the value of A, B and C. Just you have to find cos B. It looks very simple, but it is not that simple, because you know cosine rule, cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC, or we say B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B, whatever. Here A square is 18 square plus C square is 30 square minus B square is 24 divided by 2AC, 2 into 18 into 30. Even though it looks very simple, this calculation is not that simple, where we are not allowed to carry any of the electronic gadgets to the competitive examination hall. This calculation is a very important job, and getting the accurate answer is a time consuming process. Therefore, we need to practice the numericals very well. So the answer is 3 by 5. Answer is 3 by 5. A. So it looks simple, but we need practice. Question number 25. If f of x equal to cos square x plus secant square x, then f of x is, cos square x into secant square x is 1. Because they are the reciprocals of each other, we know use the concept that arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Arithmetic means cos square x plus secant square x by 2, which is always greater than or equal to geometric mean, that is root of AB. Arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2 is always greater than or equal to root AB, geometric mean. So here cos square x into secant square x is 1, therefore this is greater than or equal to 1. Cos square x plus secant square x is greater than or equal to 2. So f of x is greater than or equal to 2. Answer D. D is the right answer. So when we are making use of the concept from sequence and series. Next, 26th question. The value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree up to tan 89 degree is equal to. These are the options. Here you know that tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree. Tan 1 first term and last term we shall merge together. That tan 89 degree can be written as tan of 90 minus 1 degree. Tan of 90 degree minus 1 is cot 1 degree. This is equal to cot 1 degree. Therefore, tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree is 1. Similarly, here this is tan of 90 degree minus 2 degree, and this is 1. Here this is tan 44 and tan 46. Middle, last one odd term remaining is tan 45 degree. That's the middle term in this sequence, and that's its value is also 1. Therefore, the product of this 1, 1, 1 gives you 1. Therefore, answer is D. Okay. Next, question number 27. The value of tan 75 degree minus cot 75 degree is equal. Once again, this is the simple problem if you know the values of tan 75 degree and cot 75 degree. Or otherwise, we need to simplify this like this. Tan 75 can be written as tan of 45 degree plus 30 degree, and cot 45 degree can be written as cot 75 degree equal to cot of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Then use the tan of x plus y formula here. Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Cot of x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot y. This can be made use, and we can put the values here, simplify and get it. Instead of this, if you know the value of tan 75 degree, which is equal to sin 75 degree divided by cos 75 degree. Sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, and cos 75 degree is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root. Minus this is cot 75 degree is cos 75 degree by sin 75 degree, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. They cancel each other, so simplify this, you will get it. Otherwise, substitute the values here, we can come to this answer. And then here taking LCM, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, that is root 3 square minus 1 square 2. And here root 3 plus 1 whole square, here it is minus root 3 minus 1 whole square. We will get to 4 root 3 by 2, that is 2 root 3. Answer A. This is the right answer. If you know the values, we can get it directly. That is important. So remembering the values is very important. Next, 28th question. The value of tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a is equal to. Here we have the options. In this type of problems, normally we go for trial and error method. We substitute the values for a, 2a and 3. So, but here, if you take a is equal to 30 degree, then this becomes 60 degree, this becomes 90 degree, tan 90 is not defined. Therefore, that substitution is not possible. When if you take a equal to 45 degree, this becomes tan 90 degree. Then that trial and error is difficult here. Otherwise, in other problems, we can think of the values of a here and check the answer giving the same answer. For example, if you give a is equal to 0 here, all the answers gives these three answers gives 0 answer. Therefore, that is not possible. That trial is not enough, and we shall go for solving this instead of trial and error. In some problems we can go for trial and error method and identify the answer. You know, tan 3a can be written as tan of 2a plus c. That is equal to tan 2a plus tan a by 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. Then just rearrange this, you will get the answer easily, easier than the trial and error method. So we get tan 3a minus tan 3a into tan 2a tan a is equal to tan 2a plus tan a, or rearranging, we get the answer A. Next, question number 29. The value of sine 50 degree minus sine 75 degree plus sine 10 degree is equal to. What is the value of this? Let us simplify. Sine 50 minus sine 70 plus sine 10 degree. Here they have added one sine 50 degree plus sine 10 degree. It is not necessary. You can go for this also. This is sine c minus sine d. If you use these two, it is sine c minus sine d. Or if you use first and third, it is sine c plus sine d formula. Both are working fine here, and this works better actually. Sine 50 degree minus 70 degree. Sine c minus sine d formula works better, but here it is sine c plus sine d. Okay, 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 50 minus 10 by 2, minus sine 75. This is 50 plus 10, 60 by 2 sine 30 degree, and 50 minus 10, 40 by 2, that is sine 20 degree. This can be further written as sine 30 is half, therefore 2 cancels here. Cos 20 is written as cos of 90 minus 70 degree minus sine 70 degree. Cos of 90 minus 70 sine 70, therefore answer is 0. Answer B. And the last question here. If for real values of x, cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x, then theta is acute angle, theta is a right angle, theta is an obtuse angle, or no value of theta is possible. So let us see the solution. You know cos theta equal to x plus 1 by x. When you multiply x and 1 by x, you will get 1. Therefore, let us go for arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Use this concept again. So that x plus 1 by x by 2, x plus 1 by x by 2, that is arithmetic mean, is greater than or equal to geometric mean, root of x into 1 by x. So it is 1. So x plus 1 by x is x plus 1 by x, that is cos theta, is greater than or equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. So cos theta equal to greater than or equal to 2, which is not possible, because you know cos theta always lies in the range minus 1 comma 1. Therefore, cos theta greater than or equal to 2 is not possible. Therefore, this equation has no values. So, no value of theta is possible. Hence, D is the right answer. So, with this, we have completed 30 questions. So, I am thankful to all the students and teachers, DD, Deputy Director of our Pre-University Education, CEO and team of Zilla Panchayat for providing this great opportunity. I request all the students to make use of the classes. Thank you one and all.
Question.
Yeah, okay.